How's it going, everybody? Special hi to all the kids. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Dashi from the Octonauts. Oh, before we get started, I want to say a special hi to Emma. Hi, Emma. All right, let's get into it. All right, kids, so we're going to get started drawing Dashi. So what you want to do is we're going to draw a half circle. So we're going to kind of do like a circle like this, kind of like a U shape. So start here, and then we're going to come down and then come all the way up. Let me move these a little bit. Okay, so starting on this side, down, and we're going to come all the way up. Okay, so you should have kind of like a really wide U. And then now we're going to come here and we're going to come up, because we're going to make her hair right now. So maybe to about this point we're going to come up. So you can either start from here and go down, or you can come up, but maybe starting from here is better. So a little point, and then we're just going to come down and then come out like that. Okay, and then here we're going to make her little hair clips. So we need to make her hair clips first, and then we can finish the hair. So she has two hair clips. So one is right here, and this is the shape. That's one shape. And we draw the inside. Okay, and then we do the same thing on this side. And then we draw the inside. Okay, so then now we have the hair. We can come up just a little bit more, and then we can come down and make the rest of her hair. So we're gonna come down this way. So follow me, come here, and then lift up your pen or pencil, lift it up, and then finish here, and then you come right around like that. Okay? So then now she has little like pigtails that come like this. So let's draw this first one on this side. So start about right here. Okay, so maybe about this point, and we're going to come down, and we're just going to come right up. So start right here, we're going to come down, and then we're going to come right up, just like that. And then here, so her hat goes right about here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little kind of, not straight line, but a little bit of a curved line from here to right about here. So here, we curve it and come up. Okay, and then now we're going to make the rest of her hair. So we come around this way, and then when we get to this point, we do the same thing just like this side. So from here, I'm going to finish this part. Okay, and when we get to this part, we just do this thing just like this side. So come over and then bring it up. Okay, so you should have something that looks like that. And then the hat is the same thing we've been drawing before. So straight line this way, and then a straight line this way, and then we come out like this. Okay, and then we make a little dome at the top right here. It's getting harder and harder to draw all these little tiny shapes, but let's do our best. So inside here, there's that little octopus logo. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so we can draw it a little bit better. So it comes out, has the arms, has the tentacles, and then the face. And then you make two little dots for the eyes, and then one dot for the mouth. Okay, and then there's also a line that comes right on the bottom right here. So we just follow that line. So we just follow it. And then she has some lines inside of her hair. So what we can do is, oh, actually, you know what? This part, we can connect it a little bit. We connect this like that. And then we can make this line go like this. We're just drawing some little detail. So we can do like line, line, line. And we can do a smaller one. These are just detail lines. Come up a little bit here, and we make detail lines, right? Okay, now the center of her face, right in the middle, a little bit to the bottom, is where her nose should be. So her nose is right about here. So we make a little circle. And then we make her, I guess this is like her part of her nose. Circle. And circle. And then same thing, right down here, make a little U line just to show the bottom of her lip. And then we're gonna draw her eyes. So her eyes about here, and they're just gonna be little ovals. Not perfect circles, but ovals. So it should look something like that. And we wanna draw another circle and then color all of this in. And then we're gonna do the same thing right over here on this part of her eye. So we're just gonna come right here. Come down, come up, and draw the circle. And then we're gonna color all of this in. So you should have something that looks like that. And then now we're gonna draw, she also has a little collar, and then her body just goes kind of straight down like this, like a line. So we're gonna draw her collar first. So we go straight down, and then on this side, we go straight down. And then we come down, and then we go up, right to the middle. So if this is the middle part, we come down, and then we go up. Same thing here, down, across. And then remember how this one has that little arrow line? There's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. And then on this side, the same thing, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then her body right here, it just comes down, straight down. This part, straight down. And then she's wearing like a dress, so there's this line that comes across. And then we're gonna draw down, down, and then go across again. This is like her belt. And then right here, there's a little circle, okay? And then her dress comes out a little bit, so you want to make a line that comes out a little bit, just like this. And then go straight across. And then she also has a little line right here. Okay, so now you want to draw her legs. So the same thing as last time, we just come down, and then we do her shoes. Shoes, come down, move it out, and then we come over, and we come up, and then we come up. Same thing on this side, okay? So down, down, across. Okay, so we're gonna draw this line, and we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna go across, and come up, and up again, okay? And then you can draw these little lines right here and right here. And then now what we have to do is we have to draw her arms. So for arms, we're just gonna come from here, we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna draw her fingers. So start right where this little line meets, and we just wanna come down. And then when we get to here, you want to start coming in and draw this part. So this is kind of like the main part of her hand. And then you want to draw this little part right here. So you can draw like her thumb. And then you want to just bring this up like that. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we'll come here. And we're going to come this way. And we're going to draw thumb. This thumb, and we're going to come in, and it's going to be just like that. So then now we just need to color this. So let's start with the blue. So we'll do her hat, which is blue. And then we'll do her collar, which is also blue. do her boots. And it's also blue. So you should have something that's like that. And then now let's do her hair. So her hair is this like brown color. And remember, there's no making mistakes. So even if you go over like that, it's okay. Just keep coloring, no problem. In art, there's no mistakes. Just keep on creating. Keep on coloring, keep on drawing. That's the fun of it, right? And now we're gonna do this part right here of her dress. It's a brown color. And then let's do the pink color. So this belt right here is like a darker pink. And then this bottom part is a lighter pink. It just looks pink to me, but that's what the picture looks like. So that. Color this part pink. Okay. Then now let's color a body color. So this is this orange. This. All right, almost there. Coloring her face orange. To this point, we're gonna color her nose, and her nose also is this brown color. And then this, I don't know what this is. This must be like, maybe her lip. This is a light color. Oh, you know what else we can color pink? Is one of her hair clips. And there you have it. Well, I hope you had a good time, kids. And I just want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And till I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye.